Hello guys, I hope you're fine. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for loving my content. It's another video. So today we are basically going to do fridge cleaning and also try cooking chips masala. So stay tuned and I'll take you through the process. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to comment, give me a thumbs up, all the good things in this video. Also in my previous videos, I've had some people who are asking me like the name of the insecticide that I got. So it is lava. I'm going to write the name down. You can get it in any agrovet store. So let's start. So basically here I was just doing the dishes so that I can be able to get everything out of the fridge and I can be able to wash every bit of it. So let's just stay tuned. As you can notice on the freezer compartment, I did not remove everything because it is hardly used, so it hardly gets dirty. I just measured on washing the lower compartment since it was one that it was so dirty. So I just took everything out. I took everything, and basically everything, and the lower compartment was left like that so that I will wipe it later. So I was basically just washing everything and then rinse, and then I would just leave them to to what is it called kumwaga maji. Exactly, that's it. I'm normally very cautious and careful when washing those things ya fridge kwa sababu naonanga ni kama ni glass, na if nikimeka mistake kadogo naonanga nikiangusha inaweza vunjika, and saying the truth, I don't know where I can get a replacement of that. So I'm very careful when I'm washing them. I just do it hakuna haraka at this point, because again you don't want to do your cleaning na unaachwa na hasara. So at this point it was already lunch, and I could not imagine finishing up and then starting to cook. So as a woman, what do? You multitask. So we have said we are cooking chips masala, so I'm just preparing the potatoes. I've cleaned them, then I'm going to chop them, and then we are going to deep fry them for us to have the fries, and then now we'll go to the next step. So I had to clean up first. I had to clean up the cooker so that I can be able to start cooking as I clean up the other spaces. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning it all the way hadi kutoanisha kila kitu. So I'm cleaning it up, and then now I will prepare the oil for me to deep fry the potatoes. With this economy you have to make sure that mafuta ile ulikuwa nayo before ufungue ingine mpya hiyo imeisha. So I was just trying to squeeze the oil the cooking oil that was there, add it to the last drop, but sijui nilikuwa na expect kama itapika chipo when it is like hiyo pekee. Anyway, what is life? What is adulting? To wash the fridge, I normally use a clean towel. Naeka maji alafu I put some small vinegar. Not much, but small vinegar, and then I will just wash with that. So definitely the clothes is to wipe, and then the water, I don't know, vinegar to some extent naonanga ikiwa sawa. So as I was cleaning the fridge, you can see the chips ziko hapo zina fry, and then you can see like I have inaitangwa aje hiyo storage area, so it was kind of untidy. That's why nikaamua nipanguze, and then I'll give you kitchen hacks. So kama uko na citrus fruits, let's talk of citrus, oranges ama tomatoes, it's not advisable uziweke kwa fridge because zitapoteza ladha with time. And then kama umetumia mafuta kama venye mimi nimetumia mafuta nika deep fry, let's say you have just deep fry anything, inaweza kuwa kuku, inaweza kuwa fish, inaweza kuwa chipo, viazi kama mimi. So what you do, unachukua, what is it called, na unachukua ginger and then unaeka kwa hiyo mafuta yenye ume deep fry nayo, unaacha like it's like you're deep frying the ginger, and then it absorb your harufu and that taste of what ume deep fry. So you can use that mafuta over and over again instead of kwenye na mwaganga ndio tu simwage, we save. Make sure that you have your onions, make sure that you have your tomatoes. You can blend them or you cannot blend the way you want. They can be blended or not. You have your garlic, you have your green pepper, you have some spices like garam masala, any kind of masala. For me, I've tried pilau masala, any form of masala apart from, I've not tried tea masala, but you can try any. I've tried pilau masala, I've tried garam masala, and all of them worked for me perfectly fine. You also need to have tomato sauce. You also need to have a chili sauce. After that, now you're going to cook the onions together with the green pepper together. Blended, you'll have to wait for them till they are very well cooked. After that, you're going to add your other ingredients all together: the tomato paste, tomato sauce, tomato chili sauce, and then you're also going to add the other spices. So that's for me was the chili sauce, and then I have the garam masala, and then I had the salt. So I start to mix them well, and then I'm going to add in the fries, and then I'm going to mix them until now I see like the paste and the fries are fully and well mixed. So I'll serve it, and that's how it looks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share. I love you till the next one.